If you want to be a millionaire and you want to know how, this is the video for you. And by the end of this video, you will know the steps you need to take to be a millionaire. I'm gonna give you practical tips on achieving your goals. And if you want to be a millionaire, what better way to know how to accomplish this than by studying the actual millionaires, what they do, and how they did it. If you study millionaires, you will learn how they made money and the behaviors that led them to where they are now. You can pick up a thing or two from them that might help you achieve the same or even better. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Today I'm going to be sharing how you can be a millionaire by studying millionaires. We'll dive right in on the current millionaires and go into depth about the info that could be useful for you to make your goals happen. The data I'm going to share is US based, and there are over 21.9 million millionaires, says the Global Wealth Report. 675,000 more millionaires from the US were added to the list in the last year. The US has the most millionaires compared to any other country. Bloomberg says that it's estimated there will be about 1,700 new millionaires every day. It's also estimated that by 2030, millennials will have 5 times more wealth than today. And you know what? There's this book called Millionaire Next Door, which says that 80% of millionaires are self-made, while 20% are by inheritance. First-generation millionaires are 80% of current millionaires and earn their own wealth. This is similar to working statistics. 20% are retired millionaires, while 80% are still working. This is really intriguing, isn't it? If you are a millionaire, why would you still work? You might think, no one would want to work if they already had a net worth of millions. But actually, that's a misconception. You would think you would no longer stress about money if you had that much money. But it's not true, because millionaires still worry about money. They still stress about their kids' college fund, retirement, mortgage, and other expenses, just like any of us would. So $1 million won't solve all of your life's problems. Did you know the average age of a millionaire in the US is 62 years old? About 38% of millionaires are older than 65. 90% of the current millionaires didn't reach their millionaire status until they were 50. Take your time when you are young. You've got a lot of time on your hands. Now, Warren Buffett is a well-known millionaire who made most of his money when he was over 50 years old. Pursuing millionaire status is not an easy undertaking, that's for sure. If you become a millionaire in the US, you would be in the top 0.6% of the world's wealthiest. How about you? Do you personally know anyone who is a millionaire? What is a behavior that you have observed? Please share it with us in the comments below. I did some research. Now we're going to dive into millionaire behavior. First, 67% of millionaires watch less than an hour of television, while 63% spend less than an hour on the internet. Some millionaires are people with modest work, who live a frugal life, investing most of their money. Did you notice that I did not say the word save? Because you can't just save money to become a millionaire. Or at least, typically you can't do that. You'd have to invest your money, which leads to second behavior of millionaires. Smart investing is something 72% of millionaires do. They take advantage of compound interest and emphasize the importance of starting to invest early. I did say that you cannot save your way to become a millionaire, but that doesn't mean these millionaires do not entirely save, because remember, saving is essential regardless of how much you earn. Third, Many millionaires save 23% of their income on average, while the rest is invested. Fourth, as for education, only 18% of millionaires have master's degrees, and 80% are college graduates. The pandemic has left us to think more about education since the education sector was most affected, given students could not take on-site classes for some time. So many people learned how to look for other ways to earn money, through jobs that you could work from home or online businesses, and to look for passive income. There was a rise in the number of online businesses. This will give an uprising too to entrepreneurs who don't have a college degree. Fifth, you control your own destiny. That's what millionaires believe in, and you should believe in the same. Yes, we have different beliefs, but we have free will. And this free will gives us the freedom to make our own decisions. That will lead us to the status of what we want to be in the future. Earlier, I mentioned that there are 21.9 million Americans who are millionaires. It's expected that this will increase over the years because of inflation. Now, to discuss what millionaires look like and how they get their status, stick around to the end, because I'll give a tip that works wonders for me. Sixth, most millionaires are average people. You best believe that the person you're walking side by side with on the street may look like just an average Joe, but that person could be a millionaire. Most of these people earn an average income. The difference they have from most is that they regularly invest every so often in tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Seventh, they have a positive mentality. You need to be mentally strong if you are going to pursue millionaire status. This takes discipline and determination. Everyone can work to be a millionaire, despite the rising cost of living. There are just so many opportunities and platforms now that you can use to make money to build your wealth that it's easier to become a millionaire than before. Everything is so much more accessible now. So if you're looking for the right time to start, there's no better time than now. Eighth, financial freedom is what you should strive for. Once you are financially free, you'll be more motivated to invest and save to reach your goals. I said I'd give an additional tip, and here it is. It's called the 1% rule of money. It's all about spending 1% of your day managing your finances every day. 1% of your day is less than 15 minutes. So safe to say it shouldn't be much of a hassle for you. So continue learning and develop good financial habits. And you're sure to find yourself on the next list of millionaires in time. That's enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.